Hi everyone. Welcome back to MDK Boutique. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a beautiful mermaid 1-minute saree. I'm very happy to introduce this unique mermaid ruffle saree design, and I'm quite sure no one has designed it this way before. This is one of my exclusive creations, and I'm bringing it to YouTube for the very first time. So, I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't skip. Watch till the end to see the full beauty of this saree. Sparkles.
At how stunning it looks in this rich dark green shade. It gives such a royal and elegant appearance. Let me know what you think in the comments.
First, take the mermaid petticoat. Spread the fabric smoothly and press it well to remove any wrinkles. Now, draw the mermaid pattern on the fabric careful. Once the pattern is marked, cut along the markings to get the mermaid shape. From the hip to waist, leave about 5 inches of cloth and mark it properly. At the bottom, mark 12 inches as shown in the video now. Draw a triangle shape from the marking and carefully cut out the shape, leaving the extra fabric for finishing. Now let's look at our sari design pattern measurements. Length, about 40 inches. Hip round, 35 inches. Waist round, 40 inches. Knee round, 22 inches. Hip to waist gap, 5 inches. This way, the mermaid pattern becomes very clear and simple. Guys, it's very easy to learn, so you can try it confidently. Parisans. Next, cut the ruffle pattern about 5 inches wide. Create layers in the steps as you can see in the video. Now, take all the pieces together and stitch them neatly to form the complete mermaid ruffle saree. Now start stitching the ruffles. We have already cut the triangle pattern, so arrange the ruffles neatly along it. Once arranged, stitch all the ruffles carefully to complete the design. Now, arrange the full ruffle neatly. Before attaching, make sure you have already removed the side parts. Then, carefully stitch both sides together to secure the ruffles in place. Now, attach the back part with the lining fabric. Once all the parts are completed and stitched together, take the 2.5-meter pallu fabric. Attach the pallu neatly along the side parts as shown in the video. And now we have completed stitching the saree. Our beautiful mermaid ruffle saree is ready. Now, let's prepare the blouse. Mark the neck. Depth at 6 inches. From the shoulder to the armhole, mark inches. For the front neckline, keep 3 inches. Since we are designing a high neck collar style, cut and remove the small extra pieces of fabric to shape the neckline properly. Now we prepare the high neck design. Take a net fabric and cut the collar piece about 12 inches in length and 2 inches in width. Attach this collar neatly to the blouse neckline and stitch all around to secure it in place. Next, take some fabric glue and green stones. Using the glue, carefully attach the stones to create a beautiful design on the blouse. This gives the blouse a very pretty, classy, and elegant look. Now let's cut the back part of the blouse. Keep the length at 15 inches, shoulder width at 7 inches. From neck to shoulder, mark 3 inches after marking all the points. Carefully cut along the markings to get the back blouse piece. Finally, cut the front part of the blouse. Since we have already prepared the high neck piece, now cut the fabric from chest to hip length. Before cutting, place the back piece on the cloth and mark the pattern carefully. Then, cut the cloth along the markings and join all the blouse parts together to complete the design. Now, cut all the blouse pieces and start stitching them together. For the sleeves, we are making a full hand design with the same high neck style as the blouse neckline. Once stitched, our beautiful blouse is completely ready.
And that's it, guys. Our beautiful blouse is ready, perfectly paired with the elegant lehenga. I hope you enjoyed watching the full making process and got some helpful ideas too. If you like this design, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MDK Boutique for more creative and traditional fashion content. Drop a comment below if you want to see more designs or have any questions. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.